Hey everybody, welcome to Percent of a Quantity Part 2. We're going to continue what you learned last night. Alright, here's a situation to get us started. In yesterday's video, we sort of learned how to find the part if you're given a whole. And this time I'm giving you just a part and asking you to find the whole. In other words, yesterday I told you, what is 5% of 120? You know that the total number is 120. You're trying to just find some part of it, 5%. Now, in a problem like this, I'm giving you a small part and asking you to find the whole. Let me show you what I mean. Aaron has 12% of his music collection on his iPod. If there are 96 songs on his iPod, how many songs are there total in Aaron's entire music collection? So I'm giving you just part of it. I'm giving you 12% of his music collection. And you're having to find out how much his entire collection is. So here's an illustration. We've got our 12% over here, 12% of the entire collection. This little part is 96. We need to find what 100% is, what the entire thing is. How can I use that knowledge of knowing what 12% is to find the whole? Well, we're going to use a similar strategy to what we used yesterday. Let me show you. We know, like I was just saying, the 12% is 96. So how can we find out what 1% is? Well, 1% is 12% divided by 12, right? That would give us 1%. And, of course, 12%, like we said it right up here, is 96. So we replace our 12% with 96, and we'll do 96 divided by 12. So again, we're trying to find 1%. Once we have 1%, we can use that to find 100%. 1% is 12% over 12. And since 12% is 96, we can replace that. Those are equivalent. So 96 over 12. 96 divided by 12 is 8. So 1% of Aaron's music collection is 8 songs. That's 1%. Now, if 1% is 8 songs, what's 100%? Well, to turn 1% into 100%, we just need to multiply this number by 100, right? 1 times 100 gives us 100%. So we have to multiply this by 100 as well. So if 1% is 8 songs, then 100% is 800 songs. Aaron has a pretty big music collection, 800 songs. He's only put 96 of them on his iPod, only 12%, but his entire collection is 800 songs. Okay, this time I'm actually going to put this question on the Google form. I will not forget. I apologize for the last time. 28% of Foothill students are in 9th grade. If there are 560 9th graders, how many students go to Foothill? So, this is a similar kind of problem. We know part of the total. We know the 9th graders. 28% of the total school, and that there are 560 of them. So, how many students are there in the whole school? Well, we know 28% of the school is 560 students. Can we use that to find 1%? And if we can, once we find 1%, how can we turn that number into 100%? Can we use that 1% to find out how many students are in the school total? Take a look on your Google form and we'll work through that problem together. Thanks a lot. See you in class.